Hey guys, my name is Ashley Leftwich, and this is my presentation on productive struggle and math simulation professional development. Have you ever had students in your classroom, especially your math classroom, that look like this? You give them a problem and you're asking them to problem solve, work on their own independently, and give them that productive struggle or think time. And these are the faces you get. So, how do we build learners that aren't quitters, that aren't just handholders of the teachers, and are outside of the box, higher order thinking problem solvers that are effective? Well, we want to build learners who look more like this, learners who are trying things and are ready to be critical thinkers. So, our goal for our mathematicians is for students to be critical thinkers, intrinsically motivated problem solvers, accept positive feedback, collaborate with others, persevere in difficult tasks, and not always rely on teachers. So, how do we build those students? Well, before we are able to build them in the classroom, we need to be able to learn how we ourselves can be critical thinkers and how we would work through being problem solvers and intrinsically motivated and collaborate with others to persevere through difficult tasks and not necessarily rely on presenters or facilitators in the class. So, this is a math simulation to guide us through what that would look like in the classroom, but with the teachers. So, you're hands on learning how to apply and even work through productive struggle in a math classroom. So, for this professional development, your learning outcomes will be here as listed. You're going to participate in mathematical simulations to help you engage in that positive, keyword positive, productive struggle that lead to higher order thinking and problem solving capabilities. And when you're done, to know we're successful is you're able to apply that framework, this knowledge of productive struggle to your grade level and content area with things like the bold framework in mind. So, how are we going to do that? When are we going to do that? What is this going to look like? Well, good thing I have the details for you. So, this is going to be provided in an initial 60-minute power hour professional development. Usually, these are after school with support staff there to help facilitate as you're in attendance. So, even though this is a simulation, you're still going to have support there because let's be honest, this is something new, this is something difficult, and we want to make sure that you feel supported. So, as needed, follow up power hours will be provided if this initial power hour is not enough, or you want a refresher, or you're ready to take it to the next level. So, you might be like, well, do I need certain people to be there? What else is needed? It's recommended that at least two people per grade level or content area are in attendance. Even though this is going to be math focused, this is not necessarily something that has to be just math. This could apply to science, social studies, reading, fine arts, anything like that as well. So please feel free. And we just ask that those two people per grade level or content area are in attendance to help you with collaboration. And we have our agenda. So you're going to work through these activities, including interactive destruction, your simulation activity. You're going to then break into small groups and talk about what did this look like? What were some things you noticed? Do some reflecting and sharing, and then have the opportunity to have some action planning. How can you implement this in the classroom? And remember, we want to keep that bold school framework in mind, just like we do with tech. Even though this is a resource and a way to help students, we don't want to lead with this. We want to see how does this best fit our students? Not only where can we fit this in, but does this align to what we're doing? And then we'll give you some resources and support, leave you with some reflection and evaluation to apply this. If you're interested, please contact your content instructional coach or administrator for more details. We hope that you also dive into these references, especially the Bold School and Breaking Bold by Weston Keshnick. He is fantastic. And we thank you.